Chapter 8 Unusual Animals. Animals are amazing living beings. Many of them have very unusual behavior. Let's look at some fascinating facts about these incredible animals. The bowhead whale can live over 200 years. Snakes are carnivores, which means they only eat animals, often small ones such as insects, birds, frogs, and other small mammals. The platypus has a unique shape. It has an otter-like body, a beaver-like tail, a duck-like bill, and retractable webbing on its feet. It is also one of only 2 mammals that lays eggs. The narwhal is a medium-sized toothed whale that possesses a large tusk. It uses its tooth-like appendage to stun prey while hunting. The tusk grows throughout life, reaching a length of about 1.5 to 3.1 meter. It is hollow and weighs around 10 kg.